Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this pirate outfit and dress them dress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Alright, first of all, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it brown and then combine it with this hair, make it the same color and put on this hat, apply this pattern, this one guys, and then you're going to put on this necklace, make it like this for the color, and then you're going to put on this necklace and apply this color, and then put on this flower, make it red and white, and this item, this one, and you're going to color it like this, and then you're going to choose to go free. And then I'm going to go to this area and we're going to put on this item and choose thick and select to go for. Then you're going to put on this corset and choose to go 1. And then for the first selection, apply this pattern. For the second selection, you're going to apply this color. And for the next selection, just leave it like that. And then I'm going to put on the sleeves and then apply this color. And for the second selection, make it brown. And also for the lace, make it brown. And then put on this boots, and then you're going to color it black for the first selection and also the second selection, and for the third selection make it brown, then combine it with this boot and you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. All right, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to go to this menu and put on this skirt, make it this pattern until the third selection, and for the fourth selection make it this pattern, and then for the last selection make it brown, and put on this top, select to go to, and then you're going to apply this strip pattern like this. Okay, and then you're going to put on this corset from the witch set and apply this brown pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the lace, you can color it with this color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this knife and I'm going to put on this belt. Okay guys, now it's done and this is for the result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.